YouTubadors and YouTubians. We are in the Dogman kitchen. I'm getting ready to prepare a fine batch of beef stroganoff. Some people call it beef tips and noodles. I call it beef stroganoff. It's pouring rain outside. I can't work on the banister project, so we're just going to get in the kitchen and do the next best thing, and that's cook. Because when you cook, guess what gets to happen after that? You get to eat, and I like to eat. Everybody sees I like to eat. But it's about a half-hour prep, maybe a little longer. Got to take some cube steak, tenderize it, roll it in a little flour, fry it in some olive oil and butter. It also has cream of mushroom soup, which I got a lot of because I had a wonderful subscriber send me a whole case of it. And you're using beef broth, onions, mushrooms, and a little bit of seasonings, about whatever you want. Then the final ingredient, which I forgot yesterday, and this video was planned for yesterday, but I had forgot it, is sour cream. And I now have the sour cream. So we're going to get this prepared. Hopefully I've got everything set up where I can get a better job of filming it. And let's get hopping. Let me get on this beef and get it frying up. Okay, let's tenderize some meat. I've got a little flour on the, that's too much. We'll need it. A little flour on there. Where's my beater? There it is. I'm trying not to get in the way of the camera. First thing I'm going to do is cut off some of this fat. Not a very good cut of meat. Of course, any of it never is anymore. Got the electric skillet heating up. Brown this meat. Get this other one out. Oh, another piece. Alright, I got the meat chopped up. I'm going to add a little flour to that. Roll it around in some flour. Get it floured up lightly. And then once you got the flour, boy, I got way too much flour. That's alright. Going to add some salt, some garlic powder, and some pepper. Couldn't find my pepper I like. Alright, now I've had the olive oil heating up here. We're going to throw that in. Probably going to have an explosion. There we go. Let me get a spatula. And we're just going to lightly brown that. This is olive oil and butter. Crank that up here. While that's browning, I'm going to cut up a green pepper and an onion and open the mushroom soup and the broth. So we'll come back when we get this brown. Alright, we got the meat browned. We're going to remove it. Make sure you leave that juice in there. I'm just going to throw it in this frying pan just to hold it because I don't have many bowls. You're going to leave that thing on the same temperature. Everything's coming right back into there. You can do this in a big frying pan, but I'm making a big batch, so this electric skillet's going to hold it real nice. Get all that meat out of there. Get on out of there. Don't want you in there no more. Come here, mate. Alright, now, in the same juice, I've cut a green pepper and some onion. Throw it in there. Let that saute around. Get in that juice. Okay. Try not to splatter everywhere. Okay, now what we're going to do is add the broth. Oh, I forgot mushrooms. Darn it. We'll be back. Let me get the mushrooms cut. That's a little trick I use. Just cut one side flat, turn it over, and then chop. It's a good thing mushrooms should go in last anyway because they don't take long to saute. That's saute, S-A-W-T-A-Y, saute. I do it a lot. Just kidding. Now we'll chunk them in there. Get on in there, mushrooms. Got more to cut. You know, mushrooms are grown in poop. That's right. Just thought I'd throw that in. Usually I'm going to eat the rest of them whole. I like them. Alright. Let's swing on over here to the business section. Get the rest of these shrooms up in there. Get them all sauteed up. That look good. Does. You know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to chunk them whole dudes in there. Give it some beauty. Let me swing on over. My kitchen is very tight, so you're going to see me jiggling around. I'm going to put a little seasoned salt on top of there. I'm also going to add more pepper. Now we're going to add the broth. Get a spatula. And I'm going to come over here and get this cream of mushroom soup. Sorry if my arm's in the way. Put that in there. Not the right spatula. You would think I'd get the right one out of all the spatulas I got now. Let me get rid of that. Get on out of there. You ain't the right spatula. Where's the right one? Let me look at my drawer. 900 spatulas and I can't find one of them. What did I do with them? Goodness gracious. They're not in there. what you're gonna have to do. Get that in there. Alright, throw that in the sink. Get on out of there. And we're just gonna kind of mix that up. And then we're gonna put the meat back up in there, put the lid on it, let it cook for, oh, I don't know, half hour or so. Oh, kind of looks like that stuff you get at the Chinese restaurant down there at the buffet. Yeah, but it's gonna be better. Alright, I have this set to 375. Let's take her down a notch. Put the lid back on. And let me clean up my mess. And then I'm going to cook up some egg noodles. And the last ingredient will go in the end. Alright guys, be right back. Okay. That's been cooking about a half an hour. I'm going to turn this way down to simmer. Now what we're going to do is take about 1.5 cups of sour cream, and you want to do this only at the last few minutes. So I'm gonna, and you may, I made a kind of a bigger batch. That's probably about 1.5 cups, and you just want to stir it in there. This, if you don't use sour cream, then you don't have beef stroganoff. You've got beef and mushroom soup. Let's get that good and stirred. This gives it its look and a taste. Let me go with my left hand. I can use my left hand. And we're just going to let that heat up just enough to make it all hot. But you want to make sure that sour cream gets good and stirred up. Ow! Ow! If you don't get a little pain in cooking, well, you ain't cooking. That's just how it is. And if you don't make a mess. Alright, that's looking the way we want it. Alright. I will be back when I have the plate all served up. Isn't that pretty? Let's zoom in on that. Alright. Alright guys, there we go. Put a little parsley on there to make it look cool. You just pour that over the egg noodles. Bon appetit. Cut me up a couple pieces of that bakery fresh French bread. Look at that. Beef stroganoff. That might need a little more gravy. Then I just took the rest of the egg noodles, mixed it in there with that. And that's how you make it, folks. Hope you enjoyed the session here. Happy trails. And look at my stuff dehydrating. Look at that. Bananas, pineapples, oranges, apples. Alright, I'm going to chow down. It's gone. But somebody gets to lick the plate. She also got 5 or 6 pieces of meat. She just sits there and barks and begs. You just got to give her some. Yeah. She'll get that plate nice and clean. You can stick it right back in the cupboard. Yeah. Alright, sorry this is dark. I didn't have a light ready.